Welcome back, and joining us on the show now is Sumit Gupta. He's co-founder of CoinDCX. Sumit, hi, good to have you. And it really does look like that the crypto winter is behind us, especially with $1 trillion of a market cap back for Bitcoin. And the overall crypto as a segment is now a $2 trillion market cap. How have you seen the start of 2024? Where do you see India fitting into this puzzle now?
Hey Manisha, first of all, thanks. Good to be back again. Very interesting development. Overall, crypto is crossing $2 trillion and Bitcoin dominating it with more than 50% of the market cap. Overall, we were kind of expecting it. We knew the market is going to be exciting, especially later part of the last year when there was a lot of discussions around Bitcoin spot ETF. And largely, Bitcoin and cryptos are a global asset class, and globally there are so many developments that are happening. In Bitcoin ETF alone, so many interesting developments. The amount of buying that's happening in Bitcoin ETF is 10 times more than the daily Bitcoin that gets mined, which is a very, very interesting data point. And the number is going to go up post halving. It's going to be 20 times more. $8 billion of new inflows, net investment in Bitcoin is again very, very promising. And the story doesn't end here. There's also now impending Ethereum ETF. So overall, from an ETF point of view, this is very exciting update. A lot of institutional capital coming in, which again gives a good boost and a lot more stable. Which reduces the volatility of the asset class. And in general, the investor participation from institutions is kind of promising. And again, we are now awaiting halving, which is just 58 days away. India again is looking forward to it. So many Indian investors have started investing. Again, we have seen 3 times jump in terms of user sign-up. So yeah, it all looks very interesting. Back, the market's looking like they're back again.
As you said, that the Indian investors have seen participant or registration has gone up by nearly 3 times. How is the participation always has been on the stronger side, but the active participants is something that is an important number as well. Even with TDS and the tax system that India is facing right now, do you see investors come back into this one?
See, Manisha, there are 2 things, right, when it comes to measuring the activity. One is the volume, second is new investors that are investing. With TDS, with 1% TDS and high taxes, I think the trading volumes have significantly gone down on domestic exchanges. And but in terms of new activity, I think new users are coming in, and the difference right now is the median age of people who are investing has now shifted. Now it's upwards of 30. So that gives us an indication that smart capital is coming into the ecosystem. In CoinDCX, we have seen good adoption of products like SIP. There's a product where people can do systematic investing in Bitcoin. So that has picked up. We are seeing good activity there. So all in all, while the overall absolute numbers may look small, but the trend is what gets us excited. And as I mentioned, this is just the start. And experts predict that this is going to be a very exciting year for Bitcoin because of significant events coming together in a very short period.
Okay, all right. The return of the Bitcoin, definitely, Manisha. Thanks very much for that. Well, for the equity markets, not so much in terms of luck, at least for the frontline indices consolidating as we speak. So let's see whether that manages to pick up pace and whether the mid-caps sustain the gains that we're seeing at this point in time. It's a wrap on Halftime Report. Our business lunch will take all of the action forward.